Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 1.5 Joan of Arc, written by George Bernard Shaw. Yesterday we have seen how that Joan of Arc, Joan, she had a good leadership qualities. She had the ability to inspire others and make them to as she wished. She was also good. We understood that from this whatever she talked with Robert, we understood that she is a well organizer girl. She is a well organizer girl. Means she asked to Robert, she needed the some person for the free to Orleans. Means she asked to Robert, she need the person Bernard de Poligny, Square Jack, John Godsave, Dick the Archer, and their servant John of Harcourt and Julian. Means these are the persons he needed to free Orleans. Okay. Means it also says that she need the some horse or means which is the cost of 60 francs, and it was a big amount of money, but she would save it for the armor. Okay. And she means fitting a beautiful armor also. Means she said to Robert, and means she would not want the many soldiers. She said to Robert, instead of that, she said Dauphin would give her what she needed to free Orleans. Okay, what to free Orleans, and that's why she said only 3 men would be enough for sent to with her. And she said to Robert, means Poligny, Jack, and means John Godsave. These are the person to send with her. Okay. And now what the she yesterday means we saw that she was really a good leadership. She had a good leadership qualities, and because of that she talking with Robert very means confidently and with the help of her strong determination. Okay. Now today see here means what Robert said yesterday. She says Jack and Dick Jack and Dick have offered to go with it. Robert said you means Poligny, Jack and Dick, they have offered. They said to her they are going with her. Means what for? Why you are means Robert said why you are saying like this way? Do you take her crazy idea? Means she is a crazy girl and you are taking her crazy idea of going with her to the Dauphin seriously. And what the following is answer? See, he means slowly. He said very slowly, there is something about her. It may be worth trying because she is a different girl. She is not a common girl. She is not a common girl. She is because she has something with her. Understood? She has something different from the other girls. Understood? And and because of the it may be worth trying. She is worth trying. Understood? She is worth trying. What the Robert says, oh, come on, Polly, you must be out of your mind. And Robert said to him, come on, Polly, you are also silly. Huh? You must be out of your mind. You are not thinking with your mind. Where are you? Means Robert said to Poligny, unmoved. What is wrong with it? The Dauphin is in Chinon, like a rat in a corner, except that he won't fight. The English will take Orleans. He will not be able to stop them. And Poligny, he said, he was unmoved, means he stopped means there, and he said, what is wrong there? The Dauphin is in Chinon. Means Dauphin. Where is Dauphin? He is in Chinon. Okay. Means he is sitting there in a like a like a rat in the corner. He was a coward. He was a coward person and he's sitting there as a coward person. Sitting rat in rat like in the corner means cowardly manner. Okay, cowardly manner. It is a phrase. Okay, means sitting in a very coward manner in the Chinon. Okay, Chinon is a see here. Chinon, one of the cities in France where royal family resided. Royal family resided during the 100 Years' War. The dauphin took refuge in Chinon. Means is hidden there. Understood? Dauphin is means many royal families of France they are resided. Means they are living there during the 100 Years' War. And dauphin also took refuge in Chinon. Means he is taking refuge. In Marathi we are saying that आश्रय घेणे. Okay. Means he is refuge in Chinon. Then next means he is sitting like a rat in the corner. Okay, means Pauling is said to and she is doing something, then why we not giving back to her? Okay, we will give support to her means because their English will take the Orleans and he will not be able to stop. Miss Dauphin is not able to stop that and that's why we want to give a support to her. She is very brave girl and why we not support to her? She is a different girl. Robert, he beat the English the year before last at Montegris. I was with him. Means he beat the English the year before last at Montegris. Means Robert said he beat the English last year at Montegris. Montegris is a place in France. Okay. And that time I was with Dauphin, Polingue. But his men are COVID and now he can't work miracles. His men also COVID. COVID means very frightened. Means these whatever they are soldiers of Dauphin, they are also very COVID and they can't and that's why Dauphin is not working. So, means he is not able to work miracles. Okay, whatever means he is not showing any magic or miracles. Okay, or any surprising thing. And I tell you that nothing can save our side now but a miracle. And Polingi said, nothing can save our side. There is no any means any strong reason to save to our side but only miracle now but a miracle only we can means ओनली मतलब हम सिर्फ भरोसा रखते हैं मिराकल पे ही हम भरोसा रख सकते हैं. Polingue said to Robert. Okay, Robert, miracles are all right, Polly. The only difficulty about them is that they don't happen nowadays. Means miracles are miracle or whatever all the things these are all right. But the only difficulty about them is that they don't happen nowadays. Means they means whatever the English people they are fighting with us, but they are now means not means losing to us. Okay. Polingue, I used to think so. I am not so sure now. There is something about her. I think the girl herself is a bit of a miracle. Anyhow, this is our last chance. Let us see what she can do. I used to think so. Means I also used to think so, but I am not so sure now. I am not sure about. I am sure about this. There is something about her. This girl is means there is a something quality with her. She is a means she is able to do something. She is able to do something. Okay, she is able to do something magic. I have believed to her. Means who said? Polingue said. And anyhow, this is our last chance. And she is a bit of miracle. Means Polingue said to Robert, she is a bit of miracle. She is the only girl she can do anything. Okay. Anyhow, this is our last chance, and that's why it is only our last chance. Let us see what she can do. We will see what she can do. Robert, wavering. Wavering means he means hesitating. He hesitating, he neglecting. You really think that polling a turning. Is there anything else left for us to think? Let us take a chance. Her words have put fire into me. And Polinge said, is there anything else left for us? There is many time we are means, means many time we defeat. We defeat and there is nothing to think, anything to think now. Let us take a chance. Now we will get means we have get a chance and we want to take the benefit of this, and that's why her words have put fire into me, and whatever she talk, that words have inspired or motivated to me. Means Polinge said to Robert. Means whatever the approach of John of talking, that approach really inspire and really motivate to Polinge, and that's why he believed on John. Okay. Robert giving up. View. You are as mad as she. And he was very he said nervously, you are also mad like her. Miss Robert said to Polinge. Okay. Tomorrow we will continue the next part of the lesson. Okay. Everyone read this lesson carefully.